Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the world of wearable technology with the Crexyyo 4K POV baseball glasses. A unique fusion of sports sunglasses and a high-definition camera designed for outdoor enthusiasts. These glasses are made for anyone who loves capturing their adventures from a first-person perspective. Whether it's baseball, cycling, hiking, or any other outdoor activity. Right out of the box, the Crexyyo glasses are immediately noticeable for their lightweight and ergonomic design. Weighing just 192 grams, they are built for comfort and long-term wear, making it easy to forget you're even wearing a camera. The anti-glare lenses are engineered to keep your vision clear even under bright sunlight or intense stadium lighting, which is essential when you're tracking fast-moving action during sports. These lenses reduce distortion and enhance visibility, allowing you to stay fully focused on the game or your activity. The real standout feature here is the camera itself. Capable of recording in full HD 1080p, it provides crisp video and smooth playback, perfect for capturing every play or adventure as you see it. With a 120-degree field of view, you can record wide-angle footage without losing the sense of immersion. The glasses also support high-resolution photos, delivering up to 12 megapixels, giving you clear and detailed still images alongside your videos. An intelligent loop recording feature allows for continuous recording in segments of 1, 2, 3, or 5 minutes, ensuring you never miss a moment. The glasses also support quick photo capture with simple, smart controls. Battery life is solid, offering up to 2 hours of continuous recording, which is sufficient for most outdoor sessions or sports games. Downloading footage is straightforward. You can quickly transfer your videos to a device for editing or sharing. It's important to note, however, that the glasses require a separate memory card, which is not included in the package. The package comes with the glasses themselves and a warm neck warmer, which is a nice touch for comfort during colder weather or long sessions. Crexyyo has designed these glasses with accessibility in mind, aiming to combine advanced technology with intuitive, user-friendly controls so anyone can start recording effortlessly. In terms of aesthetics, the glasses have a sleek and modern look that won't feel out of place on the field, trail, or even casual outings. They are unisex and versatile, making them suitable for men and women alike. The ergonomic frame ensures a secure fit, so they stay in place even during vigorous activities. To sum up, the Crexyyo 4K POV baseball glasses are a powerful tool for anyone who wants to document their outdoor adventures from a first-person perspective without the hassle of carrying a separate camera. Comfortable, high-performing, and easy to use, they combine practicality with advanced technology to create an immersive recording experience. If you're looking to capture sports or outdoor moments as they happen, these glasses could be a great addition to your gear. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tech breakdowns like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a review.